Welcome everyone, here is how you use Do Not Disturb in iPhone running iOS 16. So first of all, you need to access the control center. If your iPhone does not have a home button, you're going to slide down from the far right hand side of the screen. If your iPhone does have a home button, you're going to slide up from the bottom. So this right here is the focus modes, and if you long press on it, you're going to have the Do Not Disturb available right here. So if you tap on Do Not Disturb, it will turn it on. If you tap on it again, it will turn it off. If you tap on the triple dots, you can have Do Not Disturb be scheduled for 1 hour till the evening or until I leave and then your address, okay? You can also manage the settings here. It didn't bring me into the right settings, so if it didn't like for me, you go to the home page of settings, tap on focus, tap on Do Not Disturb, and you can have allow notifications. So you can have exceptions for allow notifications when in Do Not Disturb and for apps as well. You can also customize the lock screen and home screen, which will be used by tapping on edit here and select the one you would like. You can also choose which pages on your home screen will not show up or show up, okay? So if I just tap on the tick for this one, then this will be the only page which shows up. This other page will be hidden while Do Not Disturb is on. If none of these are ticked, then all pages will show up. You can also schedule here as well, and you can also add a filter. So if I tap on ads here, you can filter conversations, filter inboxes. Let's say you have a mail for personal stuff and business. When you have Do Not Disturb on, you don't want the business stuff. You can also set these other focus modes. That's what they're called. They're kind of like Do Not Disturb alternatives. So you can switch between all of those. Maybe one focus has some notifications blocked, Do Not Disturb has it all blocked, etc. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.